Hey guys, this is quick oil and brake. Today I'm working on a Toyota Prius Hybrid. It's 2008. I'm replacing a front rotor and a pads. And as you see, I already jacked up the car properly with the jack stands, and it's almost very similar to with the other vehicle, but I will show you one by one which parts needs to replace and how to do it. So stay with me, and today I'll also show you some tricks to make it more quicker done this job. Okay, so perform this job you need a 14 millimeter socket, 3/8 17 millimeter socket, and a 3/8 wrench ratchet, and to compressing a caliper piston you need the other tool or a channel lock. You also can use, I have a both, but it's more convenient to press piston caliper. And also you need two hanger S shape to hang the caliper to avoid the brake line to break. Okay, so we're gonna start and show you how to do it. Okay, after we unmount the tire, these are one bolt 14 millimeter, and second one is right here over here. First we have to remove this one, then I'll show you which one you have to remove. So the 17 millimeter is right here, the holding the caliper bracket, one here and one right here. So these you have to also remove to take out the caliper bracket. So this is the caliper bracket. So all right. These are the bolts for the caliper bracket, and also I'm gonna show you you have to make sure the pins are moving freely. Sometimes it's stuck, but even then I have to lubricate them. So okay, so there's no any screw holding the router. Okay, I'm gonna use the other hammer. So we're gonna, okay, that's it. All right. So I'm using this one for a caliper bracket, the pins. This grease is a synthetic, and this one and I'm using a lubrication for pads. So let's remove the pin one by one. It's not in a bad condition, but even then I'm gonna lubricate a little bit more. Okay, same way on this side. If you don't have this type of grease, the synthetic, you can use this one. It's not a big problem. Also, I'm using anti-seize since the rotor was get stuck on a hub, so for the future it's not get stuck again. So I'm using anti-seize. Okay, this is also done now. We have to put that other rotor. Okay. I'm gonna clean before I install this one. Yeah. Okay, this is done. Now we're gonna put the caliper bracket. And before I put the caliper bracket, I'm gonna lubricate right over here before. It's a lot easier. Instead you install bracket first and then you put the grease on the pads and install that. So this is done now. All right. Okay. So now it's time to put the pads. So if you have a pin like this, these are basically on the back side and also downward. The front pads will always on the top. So so it's going to be like this. Inside and also on a top. Okay. Now we have to press the piston, caliper piston. We're gonna, as you see, you can use this one. This is kind of. Let me open the brake fluid cap, the reservoir cap. Okay, open the reservoir cap, so hopefully it's not that hard. Okay, let's start moving back. I'll show you where is you see I opened the reservoir cap like this, so it's very sealed. That's why it was hard to press the piston back. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some lubrication on a piston and also on this side. Okay, it's done. Alright, it's done. So now I'm going to put the wheel on it. And also let me tell you, when you done you're working on replacing pads or rotors, before you put in a drive mode the vehicle, you have to press the brake pedal several times until the brake pedal get harder. Sometimes people, they make a mistake. They start the vehicle and put it in a drive, and the brake don't work. It needs to be pumped 2-3 times to get hard. So you can see a couple of lot of videos on YouTube when the people make a mistake. So please don't make this type of a mistake. Okay, so this is done, and I hope you like this video, and if this video helpful, please thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.